When you're planning a wedding, all I think you really want is peace of mind. Peace of mind in your venue, your photographer, your videographer, the person doing the ceremony, the food, whatever it is, you want peace of mind. And obviously you want that with the music and the entertainment for your wedding. You know, yes, I'm gonna help you a lot on the day of your wedding, but I also need to get you there. So there's a lot of phone calls, a lot of coffee, a lot of lunch dates, a lot of Skype conversations. A lot of that is all to give my couples peace of mind, that I know exactly what they want, they know exactly what's gonna happen that night. And then I asked them to just think about 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock on the night of their wedding, their reception, when every single one of their guests, grandma, work friends, family friends, everyone's coming up to you saying the same thing. This is the best wedding I have ever been to. This is unbelievable. That's what I really want you to think about with your wedding and your planning. 10 o'clock that night, because that's the key. Everything else comes to that. Your wedding is an experience. Everyone's gonna have an experience, and I think it's critically important, the experience that you two take away from your wedding, so that it's a wedding that everyone is talking about. Co-workers of people that didn't even go to the wedding are so sick of hearing about this wedding and how much fun it was. That's really what this is all about. That's what your planning should really center on, is 10 o'clock that night, everyone coming up to you talking about your wedding. And then it becomes the wedding that every other future wedding is measured against. Let's be honest, you're gonna spend a lot of money, time, mental energy planning this incredible day. Why not have the end goal to be everybody leaving saying, oh my God, that was so amazing. That should be the guiding principle of all of your planning. Everything should revolve around this experience. And I think if you always take that into consideration, picture yourselves at your own wedding. Are you having a great time? Are you having fun? Always think about that experience, because it makes it so much easier to plan.